Good morning. I am Hara J. Diaz. I am from Zamboanga City, Philippines. My brief summary for my professional background is that I am a facility manager and a pollution control officer for 18 years. My job includes overseeing that the facility operations are running smoothly. I am also in charge of the financial report and budget management, and I am also the one assuring that necessary permits and environmental regulations are followed so that the company do not have to pay penalties. And I am drawn to the position of administrative assistant because I want to utilize my strong organizational skills and proficiency in tools like Google Workspace, QuickBooks, and email management to contribute to the team efficiency. What sets me apart for the other applicants is that my unique skills is that I am eager to learn new skills that can both help me to grow professionally and personally. As a matter of fact, when I became a student for the master class for virtual assistant, I am the most outstanding students there. Uh, that proves that if I set my mind into something that I want, I can excel into it. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon.